Okay, so I try to make my AI feel more like a human, and now it can get tired, angry, and might even just ignore me. Okay, welcome back to Let Me Cook Up an Artificial Intelligence, where I'm not just building an AI, I'm building a robot. Also, quick thing, yeah, I kinda lost all my old footage, so I can't show you the original reactions, but we're just gonna keep going. Okay, so for all this to happen, I had to actually buy some things. So let me show you those. First of all, I bought these things, which is going to be one this screen, because obviously it needs eyes, and then to control this I have this ESP room 32. This is going to run the display of the eyes, and then just a breadboard for this is something that I had before, so yeah, this is not something new, so I will not include it. And here's something that is saved for later. This is something that I have been trying to get my hands on for months, not years, months, but yeah, a lot of months. This is almost exactly the same as this, but as you can see it has two ports, which means it is more powerful, and it can also be controlled with USB-C, so a lot more easier, because I never know where to find this cable. And the best thing, it has a camera, which is what we are going to need for actualize. This is just display, this is actualize, which we are going to use later. So yeah, just aside. And also some things that I did not buy but I already had, so these are going to be for future chaos. Not this stuff, this stuff, yeah. I have been doing this stuff for like almost a year, so yeah, this is not my first time. Okay, so you have seen the hardware. Now let me tell you about the coding. So, first of all, I changed to an older model because that means less tokens, more controls. And this time I had to actually make my own filter system. But the biggest challenge, I mean, not really challenge, but yeah, thing was its personality. It has been changed drastically because the prompt is now this, not this, this. So let me tell you all about it. So we already knew this, that its name is Alice, but now it is not just going to be an AI, it is going to be our robot's AI, and it is going to need to do some special things like choosing a mood. So it chooses its moods like default, happy, angry, laughing, all those things. And it literally chooses how it feels. If I annoy it enough, it can just go to sleep like this. If it treats you like shit, sleep. Yeah. And then after that, I took this, connected it, and had my eyes. Then I made a simple system. Send a number, get a mood. Let me show you. Like if I do 2, which is supposed to make it angry. First of all, the first mood, the like official first mood, it has to wake up too, so yeah, that thing. And then it becomes angry because I sent 2. Let's do 4. And it's laughing. Yes. Then I made it so if it's not the first mood, it only lasts 2000 milliseconds. So like 2 seconds. So, it's not just like stuck on one emotion, it can actually change. Then I made a simple Python script that can send data and read data. Reading data will be useful later for future chaos, because we need the camera to actually send us pictures too, so we can actually see them. And right now we need send data, so we can actually send the codes that the AI is telling us. Then I made this using pyttsx3. So py python tts text to speech x3 version 3. So what is tts? Text to speech. What is text to speech? Text to speech. So I can give it text and it can actually speak that. So I actually just did this and we had a mouth. Yeah, things are crazy now. And after I did this, I had something crazy. And with all that, we have something like this.
Well, hello there, stranger. About time you popped up. What's on your mind? Or are you just here to admire my virtual existence?
Now, Alice can talk, feel, and virtually see. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. Next, I'm going to give it vision. It will actually see. And after that, maybe a body, maybe some changes, maybe something else. Who knows? Well, like I said, let me cook. And this time, because I think it's a great video, you can have an actual outro.